Hello everyone, welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make Moong Dal Toast. Moong Dal Toast is healthy, delicious, quick and easy breakfast recipe for which I've already soaked yellow moong dal or lentils for 2 hours. Let's get cooking. We have our soaked and washed moong dal. I'm going to grind it into a coarse mixture. Next, add grated carrot, chopped onion, green chilies, grated ginger, coriander or dhania. Season with salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, Amchur for tanginess, roasted jeera powder, very little garam masala. Mix well so that everything combines together. Our moong dal mix is ready. Now let's make the toast, for which I'll be using whole wheat bread. You can use whichever bread you like to eat. Take a slice of bread and spread the moong dal mixture to form a layer over the bread. I'm going to make some more. Apply generous amount. Now let's cook them. Grease a hot tawa with oil or ghee and place the bread slices. The moong dal side should be facing the tawa. Apply ghee on other side as well. Cook it until it has got a nice golden brown color. Flip it and then cook the other side as well. Cook on medium heat. Press it gently so that it gets a lovely golden color. Look at these beautiful toast. Other side is also cooked perfect. Let's take them out. Now I'll cut them into triangles. You can see it has turned out super crispy and delicious. Serve this healthy moong dal toast with tomato ketchup or green chutney. They taste delicious. This is loved by kids also, so you can pack it in their lunchbox as well. Give it a try and let me know your experience in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods, eat healthy and stay happy. See you next time. Bye bye.